It starts with something small. One morning, you reach down to pick up a grocery bag and feel your legs tremble. Or you notice the jar of pasta sauce feels heavier than it did last month. Or maybe, after climbing a flight of stairs, you find yourself stopping to catch your breath. You tell yourself, I just need a rest. But here's the truth. After 60, you're not just fighting fatigue, you may be fighting sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle mass, strength, and function. Part 1. What is sarcopenia? Sarcopenia comes from the Greek sarx, flesh, and penia, loss. It begins subtly, often in your 40s or 50 seconds, but speeds up past 60 if you don't act. The stats are clear. Muscle loss can start at 0.5-1 per year after midlife. Strength declines faster, 1-3 per year past age 60. Sarcopenia increases fall risk, slows recovery from illness, and reduces independence. Why it matters. Muscles are more than just tissue for movement. They store glucose for energy, support, posture, and balance, help pump blood back to the heart, produce hormones that keep metabolism healthy. When you lose muscle, you don't just lose strength, you lose resilience. Part 2. Why exercise beats sarcopenia better than anything else. Yes, nutrition matters, especially protein. But without resistance training, your body has no reason to keep or build muscle. Exercise, especially the right kind of strength training, directly signals your body to grow new muscle fibers, strengthen bones and joints, improve nerve-muscle connections. The golden rule for seniors: if you want to keep moving, well, for decades, you must make your muscles work against resistance regularly. Part 3. The 5 essential exercises for over 60. These 5 moves target the muscle groups most vulnerable to sarcopenia. They're safe, scalable, and can be done at home or in a gym. 1. Sit to stand chair squat. Muscles worked: quads, glutes, hamstrings, core. Why it matters. Getting out of a chair is a key daily movement. Strengthening this pattern helps with stairs, standing from couches, and preventing falls. How to do it. Sit on a sturdy chair with feet hip width apart. Cross arms over your chest, or hold them out for balance. Lean forward slightly, press through your heels, and stand up. Slowly sit back down, controlling the descent. Beginner tip: use a higher chair or keep hands on armrests for assistance. Goal: 2-3 sets of 8-12 reps, 3-4 days per week. 2. Wall push-ups. Muscles worked: chest, shoulders, triceps, core. Why it matters. Upper body strength keeps you independent for lifting, pushing doors, and carrying groceries. How to do it. Stand facing a wall, arms extended, hands at shoulder height. Bend elbows, bringing your chest toward the wall. Push back to start position. Beginner tip: step farther from the wall for more challenge, closer for easier. Goal: 2-3 sets of 10-15 reps, 3 days per week. 3. Heel raises. Muscles worked: calves, ankle stabilizers,